Okay, lovelies, I'm going to make these Grant's Biscuits today by Pillsbury. I'm showing you this right here because if you download the app, you can do some box tops and scan your receipt and earn cash for schools. So if your school is participating in that, help them out by, downloading this and earning some cash for your school. It's a nice and cool thing to do. So anyway, I never really know how to open these. This time I'm going to keep them on for like 25 minutes because the last time I did this, I had too long. So when they're done, I will check back in with you and show you how they turn out. Because last time I overcooked them. So this time I'm doing like 25 minutes and that should be good. Okay, so making these flaky biscuits, I usually put my butter in after they're done. Okay, so they're kind of tricky to open. So it says right here, start here to open them. And let's see, I always like the noise that it makes when you open it. And I can't hold the camera and do it at the same time. So I have to point you guys this way so you won't see for a minute. Let's see if I can do it. I'm going to try so you can see. Sometimes it pops, sometimes it doesn't. If anybody else likes the noise it makes, let me know. I like the noise it makes when it pops. But we'll see. Will it pop? They're a little frozen. Not working. Which means I have to do extra work. It popped. Good. I like that noise. It's funny. So anyway, yeah. Let's open up and we're going to put them in the oven. Okay, I'm going to put them in the beautiful oven by Drew Barrymore, which if you watched my TikTok, I showed you this when I first bought it. It's beautiful. It's been serving a great purpose. And then I'm going to just put the biscuits in there. I'm going to do 25 minutes, okay? So I'll check back in with you guys in a minute. Okay, lovelies, as you can see, the 25-minute timer, let's see what time it is. I got to take these out now or they're going to burn. So 25 minus 11 is 14 minutes is what it took to cook these. And they are, boom, there they are. So we're going to stop this and voila. Those are the little biscuits. I was turning the camera like I was doing a YouTube video. So sorry about that. But anyway, here are the Grant's Pillsbury biscuits. And if you've never tried them, you will love them. They're really flaky inside. And when you get them, just put some butter inside. Okay? So we're having breakfast for dinner. Try that. You'll love it. Like you want to have pancakes, flip it. You might have it in breakfast time. But guess what? Why not have it for dinner? So I'm going to scramble some eggs. And I don't know if I'm having any meat with this or whatever. If so, I would have to do turkey sausage or whatever, and I don't know if I feel like doing all that tonight. So these biscuits and some eggs with the butter inside is going to hit the spot. All right, lovelies. See you in the next one. Bye. So, lovelies, as you can see, I'm putting the butter in between the flaky layers of the biscuit. I already did this one. I like my butter to be melted. I don't know if you guys are the same. I don't like to taste this part of the butter when it's not melted. It just doesn't taste good to me. So when it's melted, it tastes delicious. And I actually ate one. They are perfectly delicious. So we can't wait to have these. All right. This is how I season the eggs. Onion powder, a little bit of Lorry seasoning, and some garlic powder. Boom. And I'm going to stir it, put in my almond milk, then fry. Okay? Okay. Okay, so as we see that the eggs are bubbling up, I can start moving around a little bit with the spatula. They look like they're turning out good. I got the fire on too high, obviously. Let's turn that down a little. Okay, give me a few seconds. I'll be back with you all in a minute. And lovelies, here's dinner for breakfast. Yeah, so here it is. The eggs and the biscuits. I don't think I made quite enough eggs, but I'll make that after, off camera. But there you have it. Gonna eat good tonight. All right, lovelies. I'll check you out in the next one. Love you. Bye.